It is no doubt that RV Life Trip Wizard is an amazing tool for planning your RV trips. Did you know paired with the RV Life app and RV Life Pro can actually assist you getting to your destination? Let me show you. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV-safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. In this example, we are going to find a campground that is in our area by using the list view. Here we found the St. Augustine RV Resort. Now we will press directions, and view directions, and it will calculate our route.
Let's go.
Here you're able to view the turn-by-turn directions from the menu on the lower left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation section, there are many options to choose from, but first we are going to focus on voice navigation by either leaving it normal or setting it to loud. As you can see on the map, we have started moving. And if you happen to make any wrong turns, or if you do not follow the route as planned, the navigation will adjust your route accordingly.
Route recalculation. Now turn right and then turn right. Now turn right.
Throughout your journey, you will get quite a few voice prompts, and they can be very descriptive.
At the next stop sign, turn right onto Beacon Lake Parkway and then turn left. Now turn right onto Beacon Lake Parkway and then turn left at the next traffic light onto County Road 210 West. Now turn left onto County Road 210 West. After 1.5 miles, turn left to join the highway.
The voice navigation is very descriptive, and this comes in handy when you're doing a lot of interstate travel. And it's very important in areas where you're not familiar.
At the second traffic light, turn left to join the Interstate 95 south towards Daytona Beach. Now turn left to join the Interstate 95 south.
Also take note, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see the posted speed limits.
Now join the highway.
Let's take a look at the navigation settings. Here are route hazard alerts. This will display on the map if there are any hazards. And you also have the ability to change the measurement units to metric or imperial. Here you can see we are using the metric system.
After 3/4 of a mile, keep right to take exit 311 towards SR 207, St. Augustine Beach, and then turn left. Now keep right towards SR 207 and then turn left towards SR 207 North, St. Augustine. After 1/2 mile, turn right.
Very descriptive.
After 1,000 feet, turn right onto Resort Way. After 1/4 mile, you will reach your destination. The destination will be on your right.
It even tells you what side the destination is on.
You have reached your destination.
And that was it. Make sure you rate the route and report any issues that you've had. Well, that's going to do it for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below, what do you think about this amazing feature? I feel it could help you get to your destinations safely, quickly, and accurately, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.